Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Joni, and if you've been doing this playlist for a while, then congratulations, we are moving forward. We are more than halfway through. So today we're going to be focusing on the vertical figure eight. Now for those of you who's never done belly dance before and you're just totally jumped into this video and wanted to see what it's all about, I do recommend that you start with week 1. But if you want to try it out, we are breaking down this movement, which is a beautiful vertical figure eight. Woohoo! And it's just a beautiful movement to do. And it's just, for me, I do it not just for belly dancing, but I do it for other forms of dance when I go clubbing. So it's a fun form of movement that you could apply to other dance. So let's get to it. Before we start into the breakdown of the beautiful vertical figure eight, we are going to do a deep breath in, expand the lungs, breathe out from the belly. Nice. I want you to relax, bring your chin into a nice L position to help you with your posture. Just really helps with your posture, to find correct posture. You want to make sure that you don't bring your pelvis forward. Keep the pelvis underneath your rib cage. I want you to soften the knees, but try to find your body on the arch of the feet, okay? Meaning that where you have stability or you're secure. I know right here I feel like I'm balanced. On my heel, I don't feel balanced. On the arch of my feet, I feel a bit more balanced, more forward. All right, so let's just relax the pelvis a little bit. Just tuck and release, tuck and release. And we're going to get into the first vertical figure eight, which is a downward going up. So also known as the fishtail. So first we know how to do our drops by flexing the knee, right, left, and we know how to do our slides. Slides, 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 slides. Okay, you combine those two and you got your first downward vertical figure eight. You're going down by flexing the right hip. You're going to slide and then just bring it back in. Let's do that one again. Bend the knee, slide, and then bring it back to its center. Repeat on the left side, drop, slide, and bring it back in. We all have different range of motion, so if you find that you're having any discomfort in your lower back, just don't go as far. Get to know your body and be kind to your body. So now you're going to go drop, slide, bring it back to center, and then right away alternate, drop, slide, bring it in. You want to make sure you alternate the knee. There's only one knee bent and the other one is straight. You bend the right knee, keep that left leg straight, because if you bend, you're going to tend to do a pendulum swing, and that's not what we want. We want to have that beautiful vertical figure eight going like this, okay, with your pelvis. Okay, down, slide, bring it in, down, slide, bring it in, down, slide, bring it in, down, slide, bring it in. See how my knees, one is straight, the other one is flexed? And then when I come to center, they're both straight. Down, slide, and when I bring it back to into the center, underneath my rib cage, both legs are straight. Down, slide, straighten, down, slide, straighten. Flex the knee, slide, and then straighten the knee. Down, slide, bring it in. Flex, slide, straighten the knee. Now you're going to feel a nice stretch in the oblique muscles because the obliques are engaged with this. It really, because you're doing the slides, the opposite side is contracting, and then when you come back in, then the same side is pulling the hip back in. So this is your downward vertical figure eight. Now if you want to reverse this, flex the knees a little bit more, and then you're going to bring your right hip, instead of down, you're going to bring it up, and then you slide, and then drop the hip, and then bring it in. So hip goes up. So when I go up, I don't overextend the knee. Okay, My knees a little bit flexed, pelvis is tucked. I just bring the hip up, I slide, and then I drop the hip. So I flex my knee back to where it was and come back in. The other one just stays flexed. Okay, I don't do anything on this one. It stays where it is at this moment. Hip goes up, slide, bring it in. Hip go up, slide, drop, bring it in. Lift, slide, drop, bring it back in. Lift, slide, drop, bring it back in. Lift, slide, let's repeat on the other side. Lift, slide, drop, bring it back in. Lift, slide, drop, bring it back in. Lift, slide, drop, bring it back in. Lift, slide, drop. Now alternate. Lift, slide, drop. Bring it in. Always come back to center. Woo. And now we're going to go into the classical. So, vertical. Just bring your heel off the floor. Try to keep the heel off the floor. So we're going to go down and we'll just go back, center, always come to the center and then forward. So you're going down, you're going to twist, lift, twist back to center, drop. So that's your first loop. And now we're going to go and do the same here. You're going to drop, twist forward, lift, twist back to center, and back to center. Drop, twist, lift, twist to center, drop, twist, lift, twist, center, drop, twist, lift, twist, center, drop, twist forward, lift, center, drop, twist back, lift, drop, twist forward, lift, drop, and bring it up and down. And there's your vertical figure eight. Going down. And now you could do it the opposite, where instead of going down, you're going to go up. So you're going to go up, twist, drop, bring it center. 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 Up and over, up and over. And let's switch. Woo! Okay. And drop. Let's twist forward this time. Twist forward, up, center, drop. Twist back, up, center, drop. Drop forward, and center, drop back, center, and forward, loop, center, back, loop. Drop forward, drop back, drop forward, drop back. And then let's reverse it. Let's go up, up, twist forward, down, up, twist back, down, up, twist forward, down, up, twist back, down, up, twist forward, down. And there's your vertical figure eight on your hip. Classical pose. Now we're going to go into the chest. Now you're going to do your lift and drops again. You got your lifts, your drops, your slides. Okay? Now, but the slide's going to go more diagonally. Okay? Like a X. So you're going to slide up, okay, in a diagonal point, and then drop. So you slide, lift, and drop. 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 Slide, lift, drop. So you're always coming back to center, then into your loop, center, loop to the left, slide, loop to the right. And then let's go down this time, okay? So slide diagonally, loop up, cross, slide down and up, slide down and up, slide down and up, slide down and up. So this could be challenging because again, around our heart chakra or rib cage area, we tend to be a little bit tight there, and that could be lack of movement in that area. And then also it could be just blockage. So be, again, over and over, kind to yourself. And if the range of motion is too awkward, make it small. It doesn't have to be big. And I'm going to emphasize on that. Just feel some little movement. Don't overstress it. Just move that energy into your heart chakra. Okay? Release some tension there. Breathe into it. Relax your jaw. That's good. Now we're going to go into our shoulders. So again, focusing on the vertical. So we know how to do circle, forward, up, back, down, twist, forward, up, back, down, forward, lift, back, drop. So you got your lift and drop, and you got your twist. Okay? So we're going to go and twist your right. We'll focus on the right side. Twist forward, lift, and always come back to center. And center. Twist back, lift, twist forward, drop. Twist forward, up, and drop. Twist up and drop. Twist forward, lift, and drop. Twist forward, back, and drop. So draw a figure 8. Good. So now we're going to do the same. But this time, let's go up first. I'm going to go up, twist forward, drop. Up, twist back, drop. Up, twist forward, drop. Center, lift, back, drop. And up and over, 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 and hold it here. All right. So I'm going to put a little bit of music. Let's just kind of practice those. All right. So we're going to go into our basic pose. Drop your right hip. Down, slide up, and switch. And now we're going to go reverse, or Maya, up and over, up and over. Into our classical pose. I'm going to go down first, down, twist forward, up, down, twist back, up, down, twist forward, up, down, twist back, up. And now switch. Now we're going to go up and over. Let's go forward. Up, over, bring the center, up, back, twist back. Up, over, twist forward, down, up, twist back, down, up, over. Two more. And hold. Okay, now the chest, we go. Slide corner down and up. And switch, gonna go slide up and over, up and over. And now right shoulder, down, twist forward, up, center, down, twist back, up and over. And switch, now we're gonna go up and over, down, up, back. All right, that's good. Okay, we'll be practicing this more in your practice drill, but this is a good start. Now we're gonna be doing our traveling step, which is a very common step, which is a forward and back movement, or a rock step forward and back. We do it a lot in belly dance, but also in all different form of dance, okay? So here, all you're doing, they call sometimes this step the aerobic step, but I call it just a forward and back. So your right foot is just going forward. You're shifting away from the front. I'm gonna make sure you see me. You shift away from the front and then bring it center. You always transfer the weight from one foot to the other. It's really important for this step. And then you transfer the weight as you're going back, and then this leg stays in the center, but you do transfer the weight. So there's like a 4 counts here. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it here, and we're gonna switch. Repeat on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Good. So that's your aerobic step, or the forward and back step.